Children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and you are doing your works. Yes, children. Now see here, I have given you the project work. Have you done the project work, children? About the sports person. I said to write about any one sports person. Take the picture and write about them. Have you done it? I hope you have done that. Yes, children. And now coming to the lesson number 4. What is the lesson name, children? See here. A Merry Christmas. What it is, children? A Merry Christmas. What is the name of a lesson? A Merry Christmas. Now see your first part is listen and say aloud. What it is? Listen and say aloud. Now start listen and say aloud means what? Listening and saying aloud. Now coming to this words. First we should learn the words. Yes. First one is lecturing. See, everyone open your page number 20 in the textbook and see that. Lecturing. See here. Lecturing. Lecturing. Lec. T-U-R-T-I-N-G. Lecturing. You can tell us Lecturing. Ring. Lecturing. What it is? Lecturing. Next one. Exclaimed. What it is, children? Read properly. Listen carefully. Exclaimed. E-X-C-L-A-I-M-E-D. Exclaimed. Frantically. F-R-A-N-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y. Frantically. Frantically. Melodramatic. Melodramatic. M-E-L-O-D-R-A-M-A-T-I-C. Melodramatic. Melodramatic. Despairing. Despairing. What it is, children? Despairing. It is there in your textbooks. See carefully and read it. Despairing. Shrinking. What it is? Shrinking. Shrinking. Grown. Shrinking. Gone. See here. Shrinking. S-H-R-I-E-K-I-N-G. Shrinking. S-H-R-I-E-K-I-N-G. Shrinking. Grown. G-R-O-A-N. Grown. Calling. Calling. Yes, children, see. Lecturing. Lecturing. Read after me. Say it loudly. Lecturing. Exclaimed. Exclaimed. Frantically. Frantically. Melodramatic. Melodramatic. Despairing. Despairing. Shrinking. Shrinking. Grown. Grown. Calling. Calling. Now, what is there? I want you to ask for some questions. After listen and say loud words. I have finished now. Now, what your work is? You should write these words in your classwork book. You should write these words in your classwork book. Now, see, warm-up activity. Is your family small or large, children? And tell your class about your family. Now, you are not there in your class, yes, children, but you think and imagine about that points. Okay, children, how many are there in your family? Your small family or a large family? Small family means what? With mother, father, yes, 2 children. Yes, children. And large family means what? What is large family? Large family. Large family means what? With the grandparents, everyone, uncle, aunt, everyone we are living means they are called as large family. Yes, children. Now, if you were to give something to your family members, what would you give and why? See, if you want to give a gift to your parents, means what you will give? See, myself, I will give to my parents a phone because they are not having the phone like that. How you will give? What you will give for them? You think and tell. Okay, children. Now we will read a lesson about expect from the famous novel. This is the expect from the famous novel Little Woman about 4 sisters. This is from that. And their plans to buy gifts for their mommy. Mommy means what, children, here? Mommy. An affectionate way of calling one's mother. Mother. When we are calling a mother. So many people will call Amma, Mummy, Mom. Like this you will call, no? Like this here. Mother. They are calling mother as a mommy. Now we will go into the story. See, children? Text, children. This is the story of the March family. It consists of 4 sisters, Meg, Jo, Beth and Amy. Their father is away fighting the war. and they live with their mother. Christmas is around the corner and they are planning to buy gifts for their mommy and practicing for a play on Christmas Eve. See here, this is the story of a March family, children. In this, they are four sisters. In this, they are consisting of four sisters. One of their names, Meg, Jo, Beth, and Amy. And their father is fighting in the war, means he is an army person. Okay, and they live with their mother. Here the Christmas is around the corner, means the Christmas is nearby. They wanted to buy a gift for their mommy. Mommy means what I said you. Mommy means mother. How you will call differently in different languages, they will be calling differently. Yes, mom, ma, amma, like this you will be calling. No, same here they are calling their mother as mommy. They are calling the mother as mommy. And here they are also practicing a play on Christmas Eve. They are also practicing a play. Play means what? It is a skit. You can tell as a skit. Okay, children? Now, the clock struck 6 and Beth put a pair of slippers down to warm. Marmee was coming and everyone brightened to welcome her. Meg stopped lecturing and lighted the lamp. Amy got out of the easy chair without being asked. Jo forgot how tired she was as she sat up to hold the slippers nearer to the blaze. Here the time was 6 o'clock and the bed put a pair of slippers down to warm. Means warm. It is very cool season. No, in the Christmas time we will feel very cool. Yes, same here. They to warm the food. He put the slippers, and Marmee was coming, and everyone brightened to welcome her. They were brightened means what? Everyone were very very ready to welcome Marmee. And Meg stopped lecturing. Here Meg was talking something. So he stopped that lecturing and lighted the lamp. Lighted the lamp. He kept the lamp. Amy got out of the easy chair. Easy chair. He was easy chair means you can know children. Will aram chair you will tell. Yes, the chair she get up and asked Jo. Without asking only she get up and stood. And Jo forgot how tired she was, and she sat up to hold the slippers near to the blaze. Slippers near to the blaze. Here blaze means what children? A large fire. A large fire. Near the fire, she wanted to warm her slippers also. Yes. They are quite worn out. Marmee must have a new pair, said Jo. Here, they are quite worn out. See, quite worn on means what? Worn out means what? The slippers. They are talking about the slippers. Marmee want a new pair, said Jo. Jo said that Marmee want a new pair of slippers. I thought I would get her some with my dollar, said Beth. Beth said that with my dollars, I will get her something. No, I shall, cried Amy. Amy cried, I shall. I should give the gift for Amy. I am the oldest, began Meg. Meg began, I am the oldest. I should give the gift. But Jo cut it with, I am the man of the family. Now that Papa is away and I shall provide the slippers, for he told me to take special care of Marmee while he was gone. Here what here happened? Here they were fighting with each other that I will give the gift for mother. I will give the gift for mother. Then Jo said, Papa told me to take care of Marmee. So I will give the gift for Marmee, new slippers. I am having the right to give the slippers for Marmee. Then I will tell you what we will do, said Beth. Beth said that I will tell you what we should do now. Let's each get her something for Christmas and not get anything for ourselves. Yes, children. And what they did, they said that we will get with our money in some or other thing. Okay, one or other thing. And we will not buy for ourselves. Okay, we will get each one gift. Each one gift we will give for mother, and we will not buy anything for ourselves. Okay. Now that's like you. Dear, what will we give? Exclaimed Jo. Jo said, that's like you. You are good. Then what we will give? Gift for mother. What will we get for the mother? Everyone thought for a minute and then Meg announced, I shall give her a nice pair of gloves. Everyone thought for a minute and they were silent. Then Meg announced that I will give a pair of gloves. Army shoes best to be had, cried Jo. Jo said, army shoes. And a few handkerchiefs or hemmed, said Beth. Beth said that few handkerchiefs. Hemmed. Hemmed means what? Folded back and swing down. Folded back and swing down. Means what? We will take the cloth, here the cloth, and we will fold it and we will be stitching, no? That hemming. Yes, that is hemmed. I will get a little bottle of Colgin. Colgin means what, children? Perfume. A light perfume that does not have a smell. It is a light perfume that does not have a smell. That I will gift. She likes it and it won't cost much. So I will have some money left to buy my pencils. Added Ami. Ami said, I have some money left to buy the pencils. That I will not buy, and I will buy the Colgin for the mother. How will we give these things? Asked Meg. My gods, how we will give the things for mother. Put them on the table and bring her in and see her open the bundles. Don't you remember how we used to do so on our birthdays? Answered Joe. See what she said. Joe said that we will put all the gifts on the table and we will make her to come and take it, surprise it, and open the bundles. Then I said that, don't you remember for the birthdays how we will give the gifts for you? Same we will do it for our mother also. I used it to be so frightened when it was my turn to sit in the chair and see you all come marching around round to give the presents with a kiss. I liked the things and the kisses, but it was dreadful to have you sit looking at me while I opened the bundle, said Beth. Here what happened? I used to so frightened. He's telling that Beth is telling that I was used to frighten, means fear. When I was sitting on the chair and you all will come around me and they will be giving the gifts. I wanted, when I will be opening, I will be feared what will be inside, what it is there. And you will be presenting me presents and you will be giving the kisses. I like that kisses. He said that. She said that. Who was toasting her face and the bread for tea at the same time. Who was toasting her face. Toasting her face means what, children? Toasting. Or warming oneself by being close to fire or another source of heat. Means near the fire we are toasting. You know bread toasting, you will toast the bread on the pan, no? Here we are toasting our hands and our face like this. Toasting. Yes, children. That is about the toasting. Okay. Now here her face and bread for tea same time. Okay. Now coming to the next page, children. 21 finished. 22 page number. We think we are getting things for ourselves and then we will surprise her. We must go shopping tomorrow afternoon. Meg, there is so much to do about the play for Christmas night, said Joe. See here. Here, Meg. He is telling, Joe is telling to Meg. Let Marmy think that we are going for shopping. We are getting the things for ourselves, not for her. And we will plan what we will buy for her, and we will make her think that we are buying for ourselves, and we will go for shopping tomorrow afternoon. And then what they said, and we have to do the Christmas play also. Yes, said Joe. I don't mean to act any more after this time. I'm getting too old for such things, observed Meg. Here what the Meg is telling, that I don't want to act more because I'm getting old, so I don't want to act. You won't stop, I know, as long as you can trail round in a white gown with your hair down and wear gold paper jewelry. You are the best actress we have got. And there will be an end of everything if you quit, said Joe. Then Joe said that I know that you won't stop this. I know that as long as you can do that, you will do that. Because you can wear the white gown with your hair down and wearing a gold paper jewelry. You are the best actress. Why you will leave the acting? You can't. I know that as long as how much you can do it, you will do till that time. And everything is very good. Now said, you are stopping the acting means we can't do anything. Joe said like that. We ought to rehearse tonight. Come here, Amy, and do the fainting scene. For you're as stiff as a poker in that. Here, see what he said. They will at the night they started the rehearsing and they called Amy. Amy to do the acting of fainting scene. Do the acting of fainting scene. You know the children, fainting means what? Fainting means what? We will fall down. No, without knowingly we will fall down. Yes, so many children in the assembly they will be fell down. They'll telling that I'm getting the dizziness. This is all you will be telling. Yes, fainting means that scene they wanted to do. You are stiff as a poker in hand. In that poker, poker means what, children? See here. A straight metal rod for moving coal or wood. A straight metal rod to moving coal or wood. That rod. See here, you can see the picture also in the book. You are like that strong. I can't help it. I never saw anyone faint. I don't choose to make myself all black and blue. tumbling flat as you do. See that? And Amy said that I can't help it because I don't know. I didn't see anyone fainting, so I don't know to faint. And I don't want to make myself as a black and blue. Black and blue means what, children? Having dark marks on one's skin because of being hit or injured. Means when you are getting hurt, you will there that place will become black. No, she is telling like that. When I will faint down, it becomes any hurt guts means what I should do. So I don't know to fainting. She said. If I can go down easily, I will drop. If I can't, I shall fall into a chair and be graceful. Returned Amy. Amy said again, she said what she said. I can fall down easily. I can go down easily. But if I can't fall down means I will be falling into the chair. I will be falling into the chair. Who was chosen because she was small enough to be carried out of the room, shrinking by the villain of the piece. But here what they have done, why they have chosen Amy means she is very small. They can easily carry her from the out of the room. So they are making her to faint. Do in this way, clasp your hands so and stagger across the room, crying frantically, save me, and away went Joe with a melodramatic scream that was truly thrilling. Here, do it this way, clasp your hands so. Clasp. Clasp means what, children? To hold tightly with any one hand. Means tightly holding like this, tightly. Yes, children? Like this clasp. Means two clasps. Your hands are now stagger across the room. And they crying frantically. They were crying very this thing. They are telling that save me. And away went Joe with a melodramatic scream. That was truly thrilling. This was very thrilling. Yes, children? How it was thrilling, children? Melodramatic. What is melodramatic here? Yes? What it is, children? Melodramatic means melody, you know, yes? You know the melody, children? You know the drama? Yes, this both mixed here. They said that it is an melodramatic. What it is melodramatic, children? Extremely drama with emotional. What it is? Extremely drama with emotional. Yes. They are very fearfully, frantically means what? Fearfully. She was very fearfully and she was telling that save me, save me. So they have done the drama with a melodramatic and it was very truly thrilling also. Amy followed, but she poked her hands out stiffly before her and jerked herself along as if she went by machinery. Joe gave a despairing groan. Meg laughed outright, and Beth let her bread bump as she watched the fun with interest. Amy followed, which she poked her hands stiffly, and she was very following what they are telling. She was following like a machine. She was following, and Joe gave a despairing groan. Meg laughed out, and the all completed. Beth let her bread bump as she watched the fun with interest. Whatever it is going, she was watching with very interest. They have completed the play like this. Understood, children? This is the story adapted from Little Woman by Lucia May Lockhart. Yes, children. And this is about the story about a March family. They are having the four sisters. Who are the four sisters, children? Meg, Joe, Beth, and Amy. They wanted to buy the gift for Christmas for their mother. Gift for their mother, and their father was out of the town because he is working in the army. He was in the army. He was fighting in the war. So they both were living with their mother. And the Christmas was near. He wanted to give the gift. The four members wanted to give the gift for the mother. And what they decided how we should give them a gift for mother. They were deciding that. And they are having the play also. They were performing a skit on the Christmas Eve. Yes, children. And they were thinking what gift we should give. They thought, four members thought, and they said, I will give. The four members were fighting. At last they decided that everyone will give one gift. Everyone will give a separate gift. Yes, children. And then they started one by one. So what they said, children? Meg said what she will buy. See there. Yes, they said, Amy said that I will show. Joe said that I will buy a army shoes. And Beth said that I will buy a hemmed kerchiefs, and Amy said that collarbone, and what Meg said. Meg said that she will buy a nice of pair of gloves. Meg said she will buy a pair of gloves. Joe said he will buy a army shoes. Beth said he will buy a she will buy a hemmed kerchief. And Amy said she will buy a Colgate. Colgate is a perfume. And they were deciding to how they were deciding, they were how she will be seeing these gifts, how we will give the gifts for her. They were deciding that also, how in the birthdays how we will be giving the birthdays gifts. Like that, they wanted to call her mother on the table, and they made her to sit, and everything they wanted to give. And they were thinking that the mother should know, don't she should not understand that what is going on. She should think that the gifts are we are buying the gifts for ourselves, not for herself. And they decided if for the Christmas they will not buy anything for themselves, but they will buy the gifts for mother. They will buy the gifts for mother. Yes, children, this is the story about a Merry Christmas. A Merry Christmas. Tomorrow we will read the lesson, and today's your work is you should write the meanings, listen and say aloud words, new words. And what are the questions here? Let us discuss questions. What was Beth going to gift Marmy? What was the Beth going to gift Marmy? Yes, what it is? Hemmed kerchiefs. What did Amy want to do with the money she would be left with? She want to buy pencils. She want to buy pencils. How is Amy in fainting scene according to Joe? She is a poked. She is a poked. Why did Beth bread get burned? Bread burned as she watched the fun with interest. She was watched the fun with interest. These are the let us discuss questions. You complete this. Let us discuss in your homework book. Read once. I will make you to read tomorrow. Okay, children. Everyone, do your work. Write it on your classworks. Listen and say aloud, and meanings, new words in your classwork book. Okay, children. Then thank you.